First, plug the device into a power outlet. The cyan light shows it's starting up, and blinking blue means it's ready to connect. Now, if you haven't already, download the NeoSurround app from the App Store or Google Play. Now, follow the in-app guide steps. Make sure that on your phone the Bluetooth is turned on, and then press Connect button. The light turns solid blue, the Bluetooth is connected. Turns solid light yellow means Bluetooth is disconnected. Turns blinking dark orange when the power supply is not correctly connected. Turns solid red means error. Please restart the device or contact our support. Press Quick Start button and choose your preferred program. Choose duration you want and tap Play. Each program has its own LED color. Antique white for deep relaxation, goldenrod for pain relief, greens for energy boosts or custom programs. Pinks are for meditations or mindfulness programs. For detailed instructions and a full explanation of the indicator light colors, please check the NeoSurround manual. Use the test tube with the magnet to confirm the roll and rest is working. Hold it near the device while the session is running and lean your ear close to the metal cup. You should hear a soft rattling sound. Use the smart button to control your device. Press it once to start or stop the therapy program. Press it twice to turn the Bluetooth connection on or off. Press and hold for 2 to 3 seconds to enable or disable the PIR sensor. You can also use the app to turn these settings on or off. The control unit is also motion activated. Once the sensor is on, therapy will start automatically when a person is detected. For more detailed instructions, please check the NeoSurround manual. NeoSurround, contactless wellness for modern life. Learn more at omnipemf.com/support.